Welcome all, Papa G here. Today I present my steak and portabella mushroom recipe. This recipe combines garlic butter, steak, mushrooms, 3 different cheeses, and is topped with a savory red wine vinegar sauce. What's not to like? Let's get started. Begin by adding some shredded mozzarella cheese to a large mixing bowl, along with some grated parmesan and a 1/4 cup of whole milk ricotta cheese. Add 1 lightly beaten egg, some salt, ground black pepper, some dried basil, and some fresh chopped parsley. Give a mix to combine and set aside. We'll be using 16 ounces of the steak of your choosing, half a green bell pepper, and 2 stalks of green onion. Chop all into small pieces. Just a side note, as with any recipe, the better the steak, the better the finished product. Add some oil to a skillet on medium-high heat. Add the beef and cook until light pink. Now add the bell pepper and green onions and continue to cook until the meat is browned and the vegetables have softened. Remove from the heat and drain. Let this cool a bit as we continue our recipe. Add 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter to a small saucepan. As it melts, add some salt and some minced garlic. Cook for a minute to allow the garlic to infuse the butter. Place 4 large portabella mushroom caps on a parchment-lined baking sheet. Spoon the garlic butter into each cap. Be sure to include the pieces of garlic along with the butter. Set these aside and grab the mixing bowl with the cheese mixture. Add the beef into the mixing bowl and mix well to combine. Evenly distribute the mix into each mushroom cap. Top each with some mozzarella cheese and place in the middle of a preheated 400-degree oven for 15 minutes. While it's baking, to a small saucepan on medium-high heat, add some red wine vinegar, along with some Worcestershire sauce, and a sugar substitute equal to 4 teaspoons of regular sugar. Stir and let come to a small boil. Reduce the heat to low and let the sauce reduce until our steak and mushrooms are done. Remove from the oven. Use a spatula and gently add to a plate. Spoon over our sauce. Garnish with some parsley. And enjoy. There you have it, folks. My steak and portabella mushroom recipe. A delicious and savory low-carb meal. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and consider subscribing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.